Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add background image only single page or first page of a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select your background option and select Add Background and select here Name option. You can type here your background image name or click this option and open folder. I'll add this background image and select open and select your page range option. You can say page image opacity and simply select page number 1 type. Also you can type other single page name here. Simply select OK and say this background image now inserted only first page and other page remain same. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.